I'm making white rice congee for my husband right after his appendicitis surgery. This is going to be easy to digest, easy for the gut to handle, not like the trash food that the hospitals was giving him. I'm using 1.5 cups of rice here, and rinsing is a must. Always throw out the first rinse, and then with the second rinse, save that because that is precious, precious water for your skin. I typically don't ever measure, but to give you the math, this is roughly 15 cups of water, and you can always add more water if you want to get more of that watery texture. Don't let the rice go to waste, scrape that down, baby. And I really wish more people knew about congee so that it can be more widely available and served in hospitals too. You're gonna start boiling that on medium to high heat. This is what he had yesterday. We're no longer having that. I know this seems like a lot of water, but trust me, your rice is going to soak it up. You see the rice is already starting to drink up the water. The texture is becoming gooier. Then we're going to turn that down to a low simmer and let that simmer for about 40 minutes until you get this kind of a texture. This is his meal post-surgery: white rice, burdock root tea, and soy sauce. I'm happy the surgery went well. He's back home, and here's to a speedy recovery eating nutritious meals.